workout. So it will be a Tabata form of abs workout. So it will cover 8 exercises and 4 rounds of Tabata exercise. So first we'll start with warm-ups and then HIIT warm-ups. So we'll start with joints and activation of those muscles in our body. So we'll start with our neck, right? So you have to start with neck position. You just start with pulling down and pushing up. You have to count 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to use side neck movements just like this, left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to use the third position, rounded neck movements. So it will be like 1 clockwise in position, 3, 4, 5, and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll have some shoulder movements. So we'll try to do hold our shoulders and we'll just go in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to just touch your elbows while doing the movements. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do some hand rotations of both hands, 5 each side, clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do some deltoid circles. We'll keep our hands straight and we'll just go in circular motion through our shoulders. So we should not move our hands, but the shoulder should be moved. So deltoid circles. It will be affecting your deltoids and activating your shoulder joints. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do some twisters. So we'll stand in this position, keep our hands straight and twist. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do some hip movements. So we'll rotate our hips in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll move our knees in both clockwise and anti-clockwise and counting each time 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll move our toes. So each leg, both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll have some hand and wrist movements, wrist stretches. So we'll just hold our hands like this and hold our fingers back. Similarly, in front also, you just change the position and hold the fingers. On the other hand, hold the fingers. And yeah, so we are done with the joint activation and muscle activation. Now we'll do some HIIT warm-ups. So I'll just show you the movements first. So we'll be having 20 to 30 seconds of each before starting our Tabata exercise. So first we'll do the scissor jumps. So basically scissor jumps is you are just holding your position like this in lunges for lunges style. So this. So this is scissor jumps. So you have to do this first. Then second will be jumping jacks. This position, just like this. So this will be jumping jacks. So third round will be high knees. So you have to just hold your hands straight and jump on knees without moving your body much. Only knee position. And last round will be butt kickers. So I'll just show it. You have to hold your hands behind and just start kicking your butts. So this will be the warm up before we start with the butt exercise. So everybody, I hope everybody is ready. So let's start the scissor jumps. Okay, so I'll count 5 and we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, something that 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Control. Right now. Feel it. Space. Control. Return. Control.
I'll quickly show you what we have to do in the ground. So our first position will be mountain climbers. We'll have to just to go in high plank position. I'll just show sideways also. High plank position. Your back should be straight, and you need to pull your muscle legs like this, keeping your back straight. So this will be mountain climbers. You need to do it on pace. So our second exercise will be plank jacks. So it is again, we'll be maintaining our high plank position and keeping our back straight. We'll do this plank jacks. I'll just show you in front face. This one. This is plank jacks. Third round will be hip dips. So what we'll do is we'll maintain our elbow plank position like this on our planks, and we'll try to dip hips on each side. This way, I'll just show sideways also. 1, 2, 3, 4. This position. So this will be hip dips. Then we'll be having bicycle crunches. So we'll just lie down on floor or your yoga mat, and we'll keep our hands behind our head and start. So you will just be running a bicycle crunches like this. So this will be bicycle crunches. Now our fifth exercise will be flutter kicks. So rest after fourth exercise, it will be all on floor. So flutter kicks. You just lie down on your floor and keep your hands behind your back and go to the 60-degree straight. Keep your legs straight and flutter kicks like this. Opposite leg movements crossing each other. So this way, it will be our fifth exercise. And sixth exercise will be sit-up twists. So we have to do sit-ups. So we'll keep our hands behind our head and our knees in this formation just like this. And we'll be doing opposite sit-ups, like one in the left, then coming in the right next time. This way. So it will be basically having good impact on your core abs, and keep your core tight while doing these exercises. So this will be sit-up. I think you are understanding and hope you are getting the movements. So your posture and the type of movements should be accurate and precise while performing these exercises. Next, seventh will be V crunches. We'll again lie down. It will be just sitting in this position. Keep your hands straight and legs straight and V crunches. This one. It will target your lower abs and middle abs. Keep your core tight, just like this. Yeah. And last will be alternate V-ups. So alternate V-ups, basically again we'll lie down and we'll just keep our hands straight and legs straight. We'll do this. Alternate hand, left leg and right hand. So this way we'll be covering all the exercises. Hope you have noted all the points. So we'll start with the music and we'll start with mountain climbers, plank jacks, hip dips, bicycle crunches, flutter kicks, sit-up twists, V crunches and alternate V-ups. So let's start. Anand sir, if you can share the music, start Tabata music. I hope I'm clearly.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1.
So next will be plank jacks. Go into high step
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2.
And take your core tight.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Next will be hip dip. Go into plank position.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 3.
Exercise on floor. Bicycle crunches.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 4.
Next will be flutter kicks.
Halfway.
Your That's
3, 2, 1, go! Round 5. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
next will be alternate sit-ups.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 6. Three, two, one, stop!
Now we can just both legs and hands together. In deep.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Now it will be alternate
Last
legs.
one.
Opposite hand. Left. Together.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 8. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Tabata.
Hope you are able to perform all these exercises. I think your body would be warm up. So take 30, 40, 50 seconds rest and have a small sip of water. Don't over drink the water. I hope you are feeling high heartbeat. It will be a high intensity workout. So we'll be moving to down to in 2 seconds. So already your calories would be started burning and you'll feel the heat. The body will be warm up. Okay, so 15 seconds more. Get ready for next round. I hope everyone is excited for next round. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Welcome to Tabata.
Mountain
Here
climbers.
we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1.
Quick, fast. So next will be plank jacks.
3, 2,
Going high plank
1,
position.
go! Round 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Next will be head dips on elbow position, elbow
3,
plank
2,
position.
1, go! Round 3. 5,
bicycle punches.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 4.
Next will be flutter kicks and get your 60-degree position of that.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 5.
Automatic push-ups.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 6.
Already peak and this.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 7.
Now it will be alternate reacts, opposite backs and together.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 8.
Then we go to the club. So go right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, good round of applause to everybody.
Get ready.
I hope you are burning your core muscles. You'll be feeling the heat, I think. So we are left with 2 more rounds. We'll take a 1-minute break and then we'll start again. Take a sip of water. Don't overdrink during intra-workout. To keep your body warm, should not cool down. Have some movements, move your body. Don't keep static. To keep with the goal. I hope you are enjoying this workout. Hope you are not finding it difficult. You have to maintain your core tight. You should have flexible core while performing these exercises so that the complete strength development can happen at the core level, lower abs, middle abs and upper abs and your ribs section. So we'll start in another 20 seconds. Round 3, same exercises. Get ready. Breathe, inhale and exhale slowly and keep your calm. We'll start in another 10 seconds. Get ready. Next round of music will be played. Yeah, we can start.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
Round 1.
Your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me back when I
3, 2, 1, stop.
I see you every time. No,
And then high position.
I like your
3,
style.
2, 1, go.
Make me wanna cry.
Round 2.
I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do
3,
before.
2, 1, stop.
Move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it down like
3, 2, 1, go.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
Round 3.
See anybody do the things you do before. Hey, hey.
Pick up one more oblique.
Move for me, hey, hey.
Side oblique.
You're done, I'll make you do it down like
3, 2, 1, stop.
Bicycle benches.
3, 2, 1, go.
Said, oh my God, I see you walking by.
Round
My
4.
hands, my dear, you look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. You just beg to see me dance just one more
3,
time.
2, 1, stop.
I see you every time. And oh my, I like your
3, 2, 1, go.
You make me
Round 5.
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do
3,
before.
2, 1, stop.
Move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it down like
3, 2, 1, go.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for
Round
me.
6.
See anybody do the things you do before. Hey, hey, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it down like
3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Round 7.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
Round 8.
See anybody do the things you do before. Hey, hey, move for me, move for me,
9, 8, 7, 6,
you're done, I'll make you do it down like
4, 3, 2, 1.
again.
Okay, guys, excellent. Hope everybody is enjoying and performing to their best. Hope you are liking these exercises. So we have completed 3 rounds, 1 more round left. Hope you are really enjoying it in this beautiful morning of Friday. Take a sip of water. We'll be taking last round after 1.5 minutes to get some rest between, so to get refreshed again, so you regain your energy, and then in last round we'll perform with highest intensity. Try to do maximum rounds of each exercise. So we are on our goal to burn calories and stay fit.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Round 1. 3, 2, 1, break.
That's it. Plank jack. Back position again.
3, 2, 1,
Good.
go.
That's it.
Round 3, 2, 1, break.
Boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now,
3, 2, 1, go. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, break.
Can we let the story begin? We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and a
3,
plate.
2, 1, go. Round 4. 3, 2, 1,
So for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay.
halfway.
And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat till the driver make the
3,
radio play.
2,
And I'm
1,
thinking like,
go. Round 5. 3, 2, 1, break.
you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now,
3, 2, 1, go. Round 6. Three, two, one, break.
Now alternate. Sorry, because
3, 2, 1, go.
too fast.
Don't quit. Three, two, one, break.
Come on, beat my baby, come on. Come on, beat my baby, come
Final
on.
round.
Come on, beat my baby, come on. Now for
3,
my
2, 1, go. Three, two, one, stop.
So guys, hope you have really enjoyed all the 4 rounds. So we have already crushed our abs. Burning, you will be feeling the sensation of burning at your core, abdomen muscles. So after 30-40 seconds, we'll start cool down stretches. Take a sip of water, very little, and within 30 seconds we'll start. Hope everybody is setting. And you will be feeling your high heartbeat. We'll cool down and get to our resting state. So first, we'll do with the neck stretches. So before and after, we should stretch our neck to avoid the problems of neck problem, pain problem. So also it helps in preventing from cervical spondylitis. So you should always do twice a day for neck stretches. So now we'll use different type of stretches for the strengthening of neck. So we'll keep our hand like this, right hand, and keep our head straight, and we'll be pushing our hands on the opposite side through neck. So we'll count 10 counts. 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do the other hand with other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll extra bend our neck on lower side by keeping our hands behind, and we'll push little bit extra. Don't over push, just be in comfortable position. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll hold our chin up, and in upward we'll look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll do some cobra stretches on floor. So we'll be coming into mountain position first. So get into high plank position and maintain your mountain position by keeping your toes, feet completely on ground. It should be flat. Look towards your navel. We'll count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll come into child pose. We'll stretch our upper body and back and upper chest basically. So sit between your legs, fold your knees, and keep your chin touching towards your floor and stretch your body towards front. We'll count for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do cobra pose. Maintain your child position, child pose, and lean towards your front and lie on your stomach. Keep your hands just towards your body and hold up your body a little bit. You will be feeling stretch on your back, just like this. Don't go straight, or just keep your stomach up. Your thighs should be touching on the floor. We'll count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do cat cow pose to relax our back muscles and rib muscles together. So we'll inhale and exhale in proper position while performing cat and cow position. So we'll come in this position. So we'll inhale inside and exhale outside. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do now some butterfly stretches. We'll sit like this, pull our legs towards us, and we'll sit in this position, and we'll hold the legs with our hands and just do the butterfly stretches like this. We'll count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we'll do some deep squat stretches. So we'll go in squat position and hold isometric squats and just do it like this. Keep your back straight and hold your body for 10 seconds like this. It will be having some stretch on your squats, hamstring muscles, and your body will be having some stamina building, strength training, body weight training. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do some oblique stretches. So we have done enough core workout. So we'll do the side oblique stretches. We'll just hold this leg parallel to our shoulder and go in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll hold our butts, legs, and towards your, it should be pressed towards your butt. Hold with both hands and count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do some chest stretches. Hold your hand straight and do like this. In and out. Try to bring your hands as back as possible so you can feel your stretches at chest and also back. Your laterals will be stretched completely during this. Now we'll do some full body stretch. We'll count for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll again do it. We'll stand on your toes and stretching your calf muscles. So this will be coming on your calf muscles as well as your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have done upper body stretch also. Now we'll do some hamstring stretches. We'll go in straight position. Don't bend your knees. Go to far possible. Touch the feet or touch. Just hold your hands together in cross position and go. Don't bend your back. Just go down. Feel the stretch. You can do this like this, moving up and down a little bit so that you can feel the calf muscles and hamstrings stretching in this process. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll hold our hands back and just like this and bring it to the upper side. Keep your body straight. You will feel the back muscles and shoulder muscles stretch in this process. It basically relieves your shoulder and back pain. Try to do as far as possible. Don't overdo it. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So last round, we'll just bring our one leg forward and try to hold it with our hands coming back. Don't bend your knees, hold the feet, and you'll feel again the stretches on your hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll shake our body, move all the body parts just like this. Bend little down and just have this hand stretches. Shake your body and we are done. Hope you all liked it.
Very nice, Anik. बहुत अच्छा था.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
अच्छा था अनिक,
Well
very
done.
very nice. बहुत मजा आया.
Okay.
Who else wants to say
It
something?
was awesome.
First time करवाया Anik ने.
Superb it was.
Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. Good, very nice. So tomorrow we have the WQ community workout, जो काफी बड़े level पे होगा.
7:30.
So tomorrow the time is 7:30 to 8:30. We'll send out the Zoom meeting link today. और कल there's this person who's training, who's conducting it. उनका नाम Venkatesh है. And Venkatesh has been exercising, and by looking at him, you can make out he has been exercising for quite some time, and he is going to take strength and conditioning. So again, related to body exercises, all body weight exercises. So it will be very nice. बहुत मजा आएगा कल. So I hope to see everybody tomorrow. And tomorrow's event is open for our friends and family as well. तो अगर हम अपने friends family को invite करना चाहते हैं, उनको भी opportunity देना चाहते हैं to work out with a group online. So tomorrow is the time to do that. So if in case you want access, so obviously you can forward the link, check with the person who's invited you. So let's do that. And Saturday के बाद Sunday we'll have off, and Monday we'll get started again. So thanks Anik, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मजा आया. Let's get to our protein cakes and protein breakfast now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.